currently at Agora DeFi Congress, and we are meeting with DeFi11. Nice to meet you here. Can you tell us about your project? What do you do?
I'll hold the mic then, right? Okay. Hey everyone. So this is Ritam Gupta, CEO and founder of DeFi11. So DeFi11 basically is a gaming application, and in itself is the world's first DeFi-powered pure decentralized gaming application. Having started as an idea of bringing together the DeFi concepts with the gaming industry, uh, we aim to actually decouple the heavy centralization that has bewildered the gaming industry. So if I talk about the different flaws or the things that are not right in the centralized gaming industry, I think we'll be running out of the time pretty soon. But still, to list out few of the flaws or the things that aren't right. In the centralized gaming industry, you have a lot of frauds. Um, Listing few, I'll say these are misuse of the insider information, creating dummy winners or fake winners just for the sake of saving few bucks. Then there are false reporting of the daily volumes that the transactions are being done and all. So, and whatnot. So these are the few things that we are trying to really eradicate from the centralized gaming industry, and that's how we thought of starting it, bringing DeFi into it. So in a nutshell, DeFi11 is a B2C retail application, mobile application to be precise, that allows user to use all the best-in-class features of gaming industry. And by gaming industry, I mean fantasy sports, sports betting, then prediction markets, and then NFT gaming, and so on. And the best part is the complexities of blockchain is totally abstracted from the user. So as a user, you come onto the platform, you don't really care about what's going on in the back end, how it is being decentralized, nothing at all. You are just concerned about the game, and that's what we are presenting to you. And obviously, one of the USPs is that the complete control of the application, of your account, of your wallet is with you, not with DeFi11 as a whole. So that's pretty much what we are trying to do. And also to mention, we already have, just to start off, we have our alpha launch, a soft launch of the alpha product this week itself, the third week of February. And we are offering a bug bounty program for the users as well on Play Store. The app's name is DeFi11. You should be able to see it by the end of this week, and you can just go on, enjoy the bug bounty, and win rewards if you want to. Thank you.
So, how does it work? Is it like a marketplace for the games?
It exactly is a gaming application in itself. However, we are building an ecosystem that consists of different games, different modules. One is a fantasy sports module, second one is a NFT module, third one is marketplace, and then there are prediction markets, betting applications. So in itself is an ecosystem, all clubbed with the DeFi concepts.
And how is your system, how is your platform different from the competitors?
To be honest, I would say there are no direct competitors to us. We claim to be the first global company doing a DeFi powered, purely decentralized gaming. And by purely decentralized, I mean we don't have any control over to users' account, and we are not really involved anywhere in the game creation, the winner creation, the result creation. So we don't really have any competitors of now. But then, just to mention few of the USPs, first one is I've already mentioned that we don't. It's a non-custodial thing. We don't actually keep users' private keys to us. Second one is it's a normal gaming application without the complexities of blockchain, but the infra at the back end is all blockchain heavy, and the user is always secured. And the third USP is the thing that we are actually solving oracle issues that a lot of players in the market aren't really solving. So when the results come in, when a fantasy sports match or contest ends, you get the results from a single source. That's where a lot of frauds can occur. So we are building an algorithm wherein we can solve these oracle issues. We run a consensus protocol at the back end, and the data that comes into the system is all verified and vetted by the system itself, not via any single source of truth. So that's where our USP lies.
And so do you plan to launch as well your own token to power the system?
Yes, that's the immediate plan to go forward with. We are launching our own tokens. First of all, the utility token that we are launching, it's by the name of D11. The token ticker is D11, and we are carrying forward, going with token sale pretty soon. The token sale is gonna go in three different waves. The first wave is the seed investment that we are looking out at. The second wave is the private sale for the advisors, the um, community, and then few of the investors. And then we are planning to go forward with the public sale that's gonna go forward with the exchange listing of the token. So these are the three waves that we are gonna have with the IEO process. Other than that, there's a governance token as well in the platform that is in the roadmap and should be here with us probably by the end of 2021, and that will enable the pure decentralization for the system, wherein the users gonna have all the control and all the decision making possibilities as well. So these are the two tokens the system's gonna have.
And on which exchange do you plan to make IEO?
uh, I shouldn't be disclosing that now, but then it's a pretty, I'll say it's the world's most traded exchange. I'll say it has the biggest volume, trade volume as on the date, and that is our plan. And even before getting on any of the exchanges, we are gonna go forward listing our token on different liquidity pools as well, liquidity providers. Uniswap is obviously something that we'll be targeting even before the exchange listing. Then Bounce Finance, and there are other few liquidity providers as well that we are targeting. And the names of the exchanges that we are gonna list out with is soon be gonna be released.
That's great. Nice talking with you and knowing out about your project, and good luck with DeFi11.